Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic today is about triangle. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of the triangle for the area in here. That should be about the base multiplied by the height divided by 2. So if we want to find the height in here, so we need to put number 2 go to the left. Later that the base will go in here. So the height in this situation, that should be like this. So we have this one, I will put in here, multiply by number 2, and we divide by the base. And now we have the final answer. The area of the triangle, that is about 54, multiplied by the number 2 in here, and we divide by the base. And now we have the final answer, and that is about 12 feet. This is the end. Thank you for watching.